Ebusianfo mema munyina akwaba eba Ghana Sem TV GH. Mesrel like, comment, subscribe. Then your notification so that anytime you post video biti se we are share no usambe kabi ama usuwa share. Na ebusianfo last week His Excellency John Dramani Mahama to Kwanko, South Korea on a 5-day visit. Now, the whole trip, according to our undertaking here, it has been filled with a lot of issues, a compendium of issues. From the fact that Jetta or use it, or minor Jetta, yedi yesika toy, Jetta kuji to catch say, pristine condition. Jetta kuji to catch say, 3 engines, and it's a baku say crap wa. Mienu ebetimi carry Akufo-Addo up and about bibi opese okobia no enye sa jet o jet fufuro bia ni nua Ibrahim Mahama okotoy enso no time I can say omo ye krata jet na ye insurance ni amani na no as o ma short time no nyina just for the jet to be ready to carry His Excellency John Mahama to South Korea. Now beyond that, and I say, Sana, the trip to South Korea, it was because, the president, say, na omu mano, an award, and he say, Yonsei University, University Bakwa, South Korea honum, ma His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, an honorary PhD degree in public administration or governance. Now the reason why we are revisiting this issue is John Mahama, His Excellency, the typical example, the perfect example. I say will be a hypocrite. Yeah. And this one, me can say me organ anti-mesroka. There be. Enukre. You see hypocrisy. Nipa ene okase ochina na wadane ne ho. Aka the opposite. That's John Mahama for you. Mube kaya Akufo-Addo all the fees in high school. Many of the universities I on my way started saying say Debbie, it was a revolutionary thing Now, the fact say intake increase, but that did not affect the quality of delivery. In fact, quality of delivery echoes through to the extent say result are now a free wasi mubano. Now way better than what was there when free senior school enyambaye. They started awarding Akufo-Addo honorary degrees, PhD degrees. Miami University of Health and Allied Sciences, awarded Akufo-Addo. And the reason University of Health and Allied Sciences awarded Akufo-Addo is say Akufo-Addo had helped the university to build the biggest nursing and midwifery school in the whole of West Africa. The biggest science stimulation center, theater and other stuff, Africa, the whole of Africa, we call Nigeria being here, we call South Africa being here, we call Kenya being here, we call Ethiopia being here. Built in Volta region here. And the university says, let's recognize this kind of achievement that Akufo-Addo has gotten. It's Yemano. Used to see another university winning Bamu. Mahama, those days I say Akufo-Addo was paying the universities to give him PhD. And the Ghana for person who say, "Wow, Baba, just 1 year ni unyanye shie. U policy bakumpo unya start Eba ne sign na university bi South Korea PhD, honorary PhD good governance mo. And going per your logic, you just say John Mahama and so akotia. Now we okotia no antia university or more mine ma scan beka how there be who the kwa manoni. and was a tam. A year will boost you for a jar we rewo fee. At this Lake Queens, a do it, a decoy. Come on, a very real, a kufaru nyakupon. Or gusu to Ankrofoka. For let's go and listen to this conversation. How Ghanaians think about this trip John Mahama and undertake here to South Korea. But before the negotiation for Yegusu appeal no for funds towards our studio. No. So far, raising 1,000 Ghana cedis. 1,000 Ghana cedis. That is approximately bare $90. Those are the donations that have come in so far. Usubet mi aboye. Kito ebieswa. Naba ni newo screen asiye. Patro mu boye. Na yen yadewe. Why? Me da money na se na mu yen de bia no. Now let's go listen to this conversation.
That's why unim say abrofo bie company ye pon 5 o'clock. Abo bia 4:30 no. Work back onye bibia no. No solid the plate ni nyina ni ntri ni nyina kogu machine. No ye clean na kra ni sa niam no. Oh, because ye turn ye man na every time bia stop oh and ye for plate didi mu nyina gu machine na machine watcha ade ye beche no ye ba na mu e clean. Ba hwe Ghana duma the kwam se se nipa wura duma ni mu ene kwan mu same jafi mu bo Ghana car. Hwe same jafi car otim. He same jafi car gold board atamano. Ghost 300,000 euros. Oh, Sadena, what team? Some of you are driving away. Yes, you can't judge Chaka. Yes, you can't judge Nancy Foka. Not Ghana for to more Hesadi. Akuya, media with the manubes, the American and say, Ghana and Yablanti, you are to an Ghana and Yababa or Biano. Bompay and a foul shablations and then Yankopon, and you die should be more because. Ohe eniema omufaso tutu oman no samdrogo mu ejije contractor basa you say Bank of Ghana any gold board kra no de na omu wo soro wo adwuma mu a sami jafi nko atum de sika na kwakọ wura Bank of Ghana dem say wo kwakọ siesie da no na hede nko a na hede akuya eti wo man no de Yakopon kwa betu twitwaje o man no eti wo omanya ye wo wiase bibia bi but ye ho kire ye wo wiase bibia bi ba ye ho kire eye eniema nkitinkiti se ye ena amana koba nsa eye eniema nkitinkiti how say na Ghana kra no wo ye kitchen cabinet o Ghana ne cost ye say abroche form ye kitchen cabinet wo mu fie e say enya 2,500 euros ye de be ne 200 million 250 million ena samja fitimu de 300,000 of said kitchen cabinet or office eti akuya Nyankopon hu Ghana mobo na wonyi Ghana nhye ni papa for answer because baby o man ne kwane de o man ne da so ayede kwa na ekofom akuya me da ase Nyankopon hira
Edwin Nyankopon hira won so ntimpacho mesi unu mapeki obi ama mesro yenko
Ekuya me network ni jimuti menka.
Fudia metonka.
Chese mi hu me ma ya aduanu so mintumi mfo se na nse ma yekase kakranti no. Ebusian fo se eye obia ekuya se ye mu bia se na president Mahama bonto a eye campaign no se na ye mu bia we youth of this country na ye o se wo hunti na president Mahama keka nsem bia na yi we hu ani so ye nyina ya gie ani so. Because Ekuya, tell me why President Mahama to me can say a very webinar papa no will lose no messaging can to me can say Nanado honorary doctorate from Diaman Nanado no Nanado na Chinchim universities being sat and Omodiaman and nay or buy a few moments later yeah so it was shared jealousy see some Jemfin or kind in opposition about soul sourcing. And you will ask yourself, say, the same people no more contract Emma soul sourcing left, right, center. As if they don't know, say, who you now would dear Chirokotua Banankasa, nay, how do you feel? And as if all these things ain't enough. Yenya a whole chairman of a political party. Their youth were hoping, say, 24 hours economy will come and save their lives. It never happened. Yeah, quite top forms, fences, security services, muswa. Yenya, in fact, a bimokradi or qualification, it was only view only once. Omunya chance reunite omusua in the months General Mosquito for him to console them. I don't know whether he was consoling them. So I can't understand. You are telling us the NDC youth they are better off being armed robbers because that's what it means. Ekuya so we be catch me say yen pa 500,000 nyina yenya police no friend is a military mu kwan. Who will be the thief? What is the person inferring? What is he trying to tell me? It means say the mutaka be kan say bebre na ya trauma for ni we for ni mental health for no. The best profession for them is armed robbery. Eti hey nyame nko na ya down enye say Ekuya the next 10 months to 2 years to come no oman mu kro no be doors because if a chairman of a ruling party says this to the youth of the country, what do you think he's doing? What do you think he's doing? Yeah, well, the hooligans are no easy. EC officers, police police station no makoshi, school down no makoshi. These people, you are telling them that they are better off being armed robbers. Omo young country, young fair human instruments they are doing it. And now you don't even know, say, baby, a route you used always. Sometimes when I'm going to make you way to quiet because you don't know what me who be very funny. Now we instinct I catch you say, I don't use this route again. And now a chairman of a ruling party, like I don't know, may say what was General Mosquito's motive? Or person or say or tum kwaranefo, and I said no then. You come and tell this youth now on my brother. Do you know how many? Do you know how your friend is how difficult it is for somebody to get the money? No, your friend is saying, I got your forms no, and I don't know who buy house here. You answer 500,000 in a police for why the bet you armed robbers, why the bet you armed robber may action. And you people, youth of this country are defending this shameless act. Sometimes now, it's not the dream why how much you meet your pie, because as a youth, Nankasana, you're hypnotizing and spiritually. Is it spiritual hypnotism? And I say a damn been a year bo. It's what to me who say MPP party Nankasankasano is being hated by Ghanaians for no reason. And yama akosui na yenya asofofo bi me kaisa asofofo bi to me chimia ma me nya sure say papa no kwa chima ochimia me sure say bi otan fa mu. And oye yana na do woman look at things that are going on and none of these people are talking because their children are on boards. Some of these pastors are board chairman of events organizations. So today they cannot talk anymore. And to omo can be a woman in na aye di say the plaster atali omano plaster put they say why as a super group on here they atali omano and they are not talking anymore. And the youth now also who say a bro pan ye did me make us say and na sami jemfini gold board kitchen cabinet 3 billion o say ahina ye di amano make us say efo bi ne mba carpentry shop e wo friend say ho no baby efo is a very good carpenter. They deprived Efo of this contract and Efo's son is still defending. Efo na ye depriving his contract, his son is still defending this act. Ekuya me mabre Ghana nankasa na say yenton na yenche. Why? Because at this point I don't know what else. Binim Yankopon Jesus Christ robe obesun yen emfa. Ekuya mo bi nto aso why?
No me in this uncle for yechi. Because a fire omufa so ebaye from 1979 now mo be twan ma me ne nananom ene ya abusuafo hyiom sika ekum ni pehwie mo jagu ye no em se moja no ekuti endis because the party ena da bia obaba mu a onu se Nyankopon so se de oye ne nema eya na global o mo ye lucky global economic na nkasa ya na fiba o nanso nka obi anka wo kwotro exams ya yama wapo de na kwotro we exams ya kwotro yama wapo se medi kasa na chese da bi ombeba amamu su no Nyankopon ya adom na global ni ya na economic crunch na ekofom kakra Donald Trump trade war ya okofa ba ya China for ni Russia for ni the BRICS ni ade yemfa dollar enye hwi ni ade ya dollar ba for ni na Mahama tamato no kon say yo no a matamato no kon ɛna petrol ye wiase nyina kɔ fom yi na da ne kon na obi a wetimi a stabilize dollar ama petrol aba fom de adan na common teacher for untimi ntuom ka omupe ya he untimi ntuom ka adan na obi a wetimi a manage economy ma petrol aba fom ama dollar aba fom ama sese wusi Ghana ya bodia dollar aba fom nso mikro makura ase enye dollar na edi ya nananom ekoko kakra nko modidi hu no president Mahama se watam sika na fa oni ni nua na busuafo Ibrahim aboabo ande akoto eluprom nem kwati koko akuafo sika so odi amani nua no akoto eluprom nem na elu onipa ba ko mienu enum bi ebeda eluprom ni Ghana nyina akuafo koko akuafo bi so eno ne ade ana asem we na ya ne ye ka kire Ghana fo no na da bi sesei mo se sepr ya ni da so ni Mahama Joma mai konkure gigenkinki akoya ba na se konkrenke ya no na emu adena abranti ababa wa okope police ni asi okura de wanu mu wi kokotena baabi kobokoro no na police fo kakra no abechiwa usu adena usu ache se ayi aba wadua na wudua ndi si aba so metna konwa so na yanyi u ha no amre ko president Mahama so obodo ko ne nchina mudi do ko ne nchina so nya de a etimi ma abranti etimi ko police no ma cripple economy no omuntimi mfadwe no afi na wusu mama de me de bia me wusa mabu nsu o memu ha bia since Mahama ba president na baby oba ye sa da na me di mi kosua na me di mi to sa da na me di mi kosua because nya say bia me de say me nuanom ehwo kire me ofa asefo ho kire om na no ma de yes said ye wo nam no sa na oda
da ho no
amamu boni a ene abato boni ye nto aba ehun asotwe na ekom so no teacher ni a omampani a osisu itwa wakati uchira de 3 years normal 3 months wala wansa wodi bo training college woso wontua wayi afiri ho uwie suku cross onfa wadwumam na afa de woye ya osi ono no nsa amra na wani da so no oba no policy ben eno de masabi be makura koso oba pa sometimes eya na yensamuduo ni ade obeka na mu oba de akiri bas ebe ma koso oba pa na was medium ye kwadwefo mekura de midi fufuo ntua mienu kura meme na wakeka we akiri oba no a mama de na oba akodi akiri dia ene na ogigirigi enu bi na president Mahama keka ene obanyiru ono ankasa policy ni nsam okeka nchese nimdie ni nyansa adwene edi bu man na asa iti mama de mede manusi the American say NDC omobema ya brain ne papa sa 4 years 3 years ya kai Ghana media mesi university for na wi no omomra kadi na abe aba omomra medo abe na se omosisarus ni enyanwo ye betu amaka wo ye university ni wo ye teacher ni na wa kira de ni etu aka brakade bra mikro masum so atiase ne ye ma wo aba ase no ye amo enu abe ne ye be kire mema no so mbeti ayire no ye be kire se di enu abe omomra na ye mo adwuma na se omotwe ya na se Dr. Mahmoud Bawumiaba 2029 omo form application letter nkonko wom ni inform adwuma na se president Mahama amamo boni nyina jabedi wu abasahye ade o hye aman abusuan chemfa echeman amampanimfo nyina mso na netie wuo because oni policy ba ku bia ode ebo men mo twen de na ekombedi mo ache ananse fo ekombedi mo ache teacher fo ekombedi mo ache mo twen Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia nyansabu akwa amamu hu nyansa ni de de boni fi so oba one policy pe say what 2000 megawatt of solar panel eba Ghana no nko anu it make create adwuma pepe yankoma na we yit or granted tax amnesty no na say ye wadi ye tax base no nipa bebre timi tua bia minia ye de bia enwuma ena manya bia na anya sa de a momna kedi na mama mba bi na mado mama de midas
why